If you need to verify a domain, connect an email service, or set up website authentication, adding a TXT record in Hostinger is one of the most common things you'll need to do. And the good news is, it only takes a few minutes once you know where to click. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a TXT record in Hostinger step by step, so you can update your DNS settings quickly and confidently. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and web hosting guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the domain section and click it. This is where Hostinger keeps the settings for all of your registered domains, so make sure you choose the correct one if you manage more than one. After that, select the domain you want to update. When the domain settings open, look for the DNS or Nameservers option and click Edit next to it. This is the area where you can manage your DNS records, including A records, CNAME records, and TXT records. Now you'll see the DNS management screen. To add your new record, click Add Record and then choose TXT from the record type list. TXT records are commonly used for domain verification, email authentication, and security settings, so it's important to enter the information exactly as provided by the service you're connecting. Next, you'll need to fill in the name or host field. Depending on the platform you're using, this may be your root domain, a specific subdomain, or sometimes an underscore style value like in verification records. Always copy the value exactly if the provider gives you a specific host name. After that, move to the TXT Value field and paste the text string you were given. This is the most important part of the record, and it must match the instructions from your email provider, website platform, or verification service. Be careful not to add extra spaces, characters, or line breaks, because that can cause the record to fail. Once everything looks correct, click Add Record to save the TXT entry. Hostinger will then add it to your DNS zone, but keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully update across the internet. In some cases, it may happen quickly, but in other cases, it can take a few minutes or even several hours before the new TXT record is visible everywhere. If you're adding the record for verification, you may need to go back to the service you're setting up and click Verify or check again after the DNS has started to propagate. If it doesn't work immediately, don't panic. Just double check the host name, the TXT value, and make sure you added the record to the correct domain inside Hostinger. A small typo is usually the reason a TXT record fails. Also, if there's already an existing TXT record for the same host, take a moment to review it carefully so you don't accidentally create a conflict. Once the record is saved and verified, you're done. You've successfully added a TXT record in Hostinger, and your domain is now ready for verification, email setup, or whatever service you're connecting. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.